Hi, and welcome to another session of character modeling. This is a character I'm calling Aurora, and I just kind of finished her in time for Halloween. I realized Halloween was coming up, so I tried to kind of knock it out, and so I could, you know, get there before the big night. And I hope you guys are have a good Halloween. So anyway, this character is based on a concept I did a while back. This is the original concept, which is a lot more cartoony. But I really liked the drawing, and I wanted to do something with it. It was just a quick sketch at the time, and I just kept mucking with it. Um, and yeah, I think I wanted to create a fun character, and I was trying to conjure Miyazaki a little. I wanted to the scene to feel happy. So for there's a few things I thought might be interesting about this character. So for her boots, for example, I did a bit of a hybrid approach here where I used I sculpted the form in ZBrush, and then I just kind of used Marvel's Designer to sim kind of a basic shape around her shin to give her those kind of wrinkles on her boots. That was kind of fun. So there you go. For her chest, um, I sculpted like her breasts in like a natural position, and then I made a morph target, right? So kind of, because I felt like it'd be a bit weird trying to sculpt her breasts kind of as if they were, kind of in a Buddhist. So I started with a more of a natural position, made a morph target, and then simmed that. Um, so that kind of I felt like that would give me a better chance of getting more natural shape. Um, breast can be a challenge. I think one of the most fun I had on this project was probably creating all these little symbols here on her tabards and on her hat there. I really liked that. It was kind of a feature of the design. Uh, you know, I will admit, I've been kind of inspired by the Japanese and Korean game makers, like Genshin Impact and stuff like that. Although this was designed before Genshin Impact, but just the intricacy of those designs, I wanted to do something that was kind of, had a lot of detail and color, bright and vibrant. So just talking about the hair for a second, I wanted it's sculpted here, but I wanted to get like anastrophic highlights like real here, and forgive me if I'm saying that wrong. I have a hard time with that word, anastrophic. So yes, I wanted anastrophic highlights, and even though it's kind of stylized, and so to do that, what I did was here's the hair material, and under the reflection field, I set it to anastrophic, and then I plugged in a position map there's a direction map field, so same, I think a position map works, I feel like that works. So I baked out a position map in Substance Painter and then plugged that into this field. The position map looks like this, and yeah, there you go. So that's how I'm getting the kind of the anastrophic and anastrophic highlights to kind of follow the contours of this sculpted here, and I think it works all right. So there you go, that's how I got the hair. And then I think finally I wanted to give her a kind of a cool base, something that would inspire, kind of, a happy feeling, like imagining she's in a green field on a sunny day, with the flowers, the wildflowers. So so I made this little kind of grassy knoll. The grass itself was, XGen, and the flowers, I got lazy. I just downloaded some flowers I found on CG Trader, a free model. I wish I could find the link to that, but anyway, the author was Raymond98 for so thank you, Raymond98. These are some really nice little flowers, and I felt like that kind of just added that finishing touch. I'm not much. I've never really messed with VFX. Um, but yeah, I did. I had for this. I wanted to at least have like she's a witch. I know, we needed some kind of magical effects. So I made this little kind of plain, kind of crossed it and a little bit alpha in position that, kind of I animated it along a path in Maya, to get all the little stars kind of following the path in a kind of a general direction. And that is Aurora. Anyway, so I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween. Hopefully you guys have got projects of your own that are keeping you busy and entertained. I'd love to hear from you guys if there's anything about this particular character you'd like to know more about how she was made, modeled, etc. Yeah, just drop a comment, let me know. I did record extra footage, so I could certainly put some stuff together. Um, and yeah, I will post screen grabs and the real-time model up on ArtStation. So if you wanted to kind of turn the model around, take a closer look, feel free. I'll put that link below. And yeah, just have a wonderful Halloween. Happy modeling, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.